What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in a little bit early, although it is Sunday night, guys. Listen, man, some breaking news. By now, many of you may have seen the news that Joe Biden has dropped out the presidential race for this year. And so I want to talk about briefly what that means for the market, what that means for us as early as tomorrow, okay? Now, listen to this, guys. I try to stress this as often as I can about the market and how it deals with uncertainty. Uncertainty is the one thing that the market does not like. So it can deal with a lot of different things as long as certainty is not one of them. With President Biden now dropping out, okay, now they threw a monkey wrench in the game. But a lot of times the market is always looking for a catalyst to do their bidding, to do their dirty work. So like, for instance, if the market wanted to go down, they'll use this event per se to finally take stocks down. Okay, does that make sense? These are the kind of things you have to kind of take into account. You can't plan for them. They're unforeseen. They're things you don't know if it's going to happen, if it will happen, when it's going to happen, things to that nature. But this is why investing and trading is such a tricky game and why you have to play the long game, okay? Now, all of a sudden, we're going to go into Monday with a lot of questions. And a lot of questions mean we don't have answers. And until those answers are answered, again, we will have uncertainty in the market, okay? And so what does that mean, coach? That simply means, guys, expect a lot of volatility. Volatility goes both ways, though, up and down. It doesn't mean it's just going to go straight down, or it doesn't mean that it's going to go straight up. You are going to have volatility, so you will see some pops. You will see levels of resistance get tested, and you will see levels of support get tested, okay? That is what this means for tomorrow, okay? So what I want to kind of prep us with is this, guys. The market will tell us and give us clues. Your job is not to guess, not to gamble, but what? You are to react. You are to react to what you see. I wanted to jump on here to say this last thing. Technicals and following and respecting the levels is going to be your best friend. Never let the news overshadow what technicals are telling you. So for instance, if a stock is still above support, that means it's still in a bullish trend. Until that support level is lost is the only time you start going in the opposite direction, meaning to the downside, if you will, with the stock. You don't just come out the gate and just all of a sudden jump in puts or short the market just because some news came out. No, you have to literally wait for the support level to be broken, or guys, guess what? You can get tricked out of a bag. The market could go up, the market could take off, and you might not even be a part of it because you're coming in biased, you're coming in with an angle, you're coming in all the ways you shouldn't be, as opposed to coming in unbiased, as opposed to coming in with an open mind, as opposed to coming into the game knowing the market can go up and down. So tomorrow, be in the Discord first thing in the morning so I can provide you guys proper guidance, some leadership on what to expect. We'll have even more clarity than we have at this exact minute and moment this time in pre-market tomorrow, okay? So be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team this week. We will have to be strategic. We will have to make sure that we are looking for the best possible setups. If this, then that. What sectors, what particular stocks, what particular industries will benefit or get a pump or a boost from this event that just took place, okay? In the meantime, you guys start prepping, getting ready for another phenomenal week around here, okay? And again, we'll get to it momentarily, guys. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.